Hi, this is Pete from buyDRproperty.com. I'm together with Kurt and we're going to show you a walkthrough video of a house in Casa Linda. Casa Linda is a gated community. Actually, it's the most popular gated community on the north coast of the Dominican Republic. I'll show you this beautiful property. It's just listed and the price is $389,000. So we enter here. The living room, kitchen, open plan, very nice, modern, high ceilings, it's fresh. And this leads you to the pool area, where you have a nice dinner at night and a sitting area. Beautiful pool, beautiful garden. And here from the kitchen, we go to first have a full bathroom. Then there's the first bedroom with the bathroom. This is the master bedroom. The spacious with the full bathroom. And this leads as well to the pool area. And here it's the third bedroom. It's a smaller bedroom, could be used as a guest room, can be used as an office, what you like. So it's a very nice property. There beneath, it's rented, it's a guest house. It's a one bedroom with a kitchen, full kitchen, living room, and a full bathroom, but it's rented, so I cannot show it, but it's a one bedroom guest house, very spacious. It has a separate entrance as well, so you can rent it out. For rental income would be perfect. The property has a nice garden. I'm going to show you now the rooftop, because there's a beautiful rooftop, and from the rooftop we have a beautiful view of the ocean. Going through the garden here. It's suitable for dogs as well. It's all fenced. The owners have dogs, so it's all fenced, perfect for having a dog. And now a spiral staircase leads us to the rooftop. Here it's not used, but you could put a nice sitting area, a barbecue, and as you can see, beautiful ocean views. And it's a little bit windy here as well, so it's perfect to sit there at night, seeing the stars. So this is the first property, Casa Linda, number 824, $389,000 US. You can have a look for more information on our website, buyDRproperty.com.